Hello, this is the Kair MultiFan, which can operate on either a high speed or a low speed. On the lid of the fan there is some instructions to state how to make it run on a maximum or a minimum speed, or a maximum or a minimum. So basically you could have two switching devices in there, one for a light activation which will give you a full speed activation, and you could have another switch which will give you a lower speed activation. So you could literally have it on two speeds, one or the other. So yeah, that is on the lid anyway, and there's also technical help online if you get into any trouble with that. But also we just run a sample wiring up just to show you that we have a neutral going into the first terminal, which is marked N. We have a constant live which runs into the second terminal, which is marked live, which is just a constant supply. And then on the third terminal we have a switch live, which is a black cable you can see there, and that is for the light activation. So once that cable gets power to it, this would be a light activation. The fan will come on to its fast mode with just these three cables. So as standard, the fan should operate on its high fastest mode. Now also, to activate the lower speed, you have to put power to this fourth terminal. So basically it has to have power to the fourth terminal and the constant supply terminal, and this will activate the lower speed. I hope that's quite clear. So that's an activation of both speeds and light activation.